Well, I was inspired by the idea of construction sites and working things and urban decay and buildings and back alleys and trash cans and waste and the refuse that happens in these big cities and no one really talks about it. So I wanted to take those elements that are brute and unattractive and make them into something glamorous and beautiful. I wanted to do something very chic and something refined and have all these very elegant elements of really chic, the silk charmeuse, the silk jersey, and take these elements, but then have these brute imagery on it and make something kind of, the juxtaposition of those two elements.